Show us how you scoot.
Scoot, scoot, scoot.
Scoot, Kev. He's watching his cousin. Go ahead. Scoot. Scoot. Scoot on that. There you go. Keep going. Scoot. Mate, go over there and see if he'll follow you.
Come on, Kev. Oh, Mike, I stepped on my material.
There he goes. Go. Scoot.
Come on, Kev. Come on.
You can do it.
He's just gonna skydive instead.
There he goes. He's scooting.